This conference will now be recorded.
So I'm using clone stamp tool. So look at here. So here we need no need to take so much. So only very less things we have to take it. So I'll just close this file and so different sequence are there like who are like participated in this movie. So again what I'll do, I'll open this file and I will use alt and left click. Okay, alt and left click. Okay. So alt and left click, so any place you can select it. So I have downloaded some of the related image. So you have to like which is a selected location, you can place it like this. So always the movie posters will be like this, so which is not very much clear. In the background you'll have this image, so you can place whoever the person, like any sequence and all, so you can place it like this. Otherwise it is matching to this. I'll just reduce the brush size and alt. So 2 3 images from the movie you can select it. So by the times uh, no need to add this sharp edges over here. So only, so like the smooth edges and all you can add it. So like that, who are the villain, those peoples and all you can add it for this. So this is my file, original file. So in this I have to add too many peoples for this only. So I will take so 2 3 poses from that movie. So I'll place it alt and left click. So you have to togetherly you have to play press alt and left click. Okay, so alt and left, you have to keep this image like this. Okay, so you have to keep the image like this, alt and left click. So now if you want, wherever you want you can place it, so like this. So I'm pressing left click. So using that left click I'm using this option. So no need the backgrounds and all, only this much I'm using. Okay, so I don't want anything in this image, so anything if you want you can place it, like 2 3 backgrounds and all you can add it. Otherwise same background you have to make it, means same background. I'm pressing here the orange color sky what we have, alt and left click. So by the time whatever the area I'm selecting, which is copying here, now the same thing. So alt and left click, so which is the area which is copying over here, so the same thing only it will come. Okay, so like this. So I'll close this file. Again I have to place one more file here, one more image. So I'm checking this option. So I'm placing here. So wherever the empty space here, So I'm unable to cover his full face. So by the time, so I want to show the fort also. So that's why I'm making like this. Otherwise, Control Z. So take the positions properly. Otherwise, if I'll have any other images, I could take. Yeah, I don't have any other image. So yeah, I have this image. So let me paste. I'll start from here. So like this, I'll paste it. So only left click, I'm brushing the thing. So using left click, I'm brushing. So this is the movie poster design. So you can see the movie poster like this. So we should not place the sharp edges. Okay, like this sharp edges and all we should not place. We can place one more image here. So which is suitable for this. Okay, well let us see. I can place this background or any other. Can place it like this also. So let us see. So for me the fort also very important, so that's why I don't. So alt left click and this fort design also should not go, so that's why I'm placing images like this. Okay, alt and left click, so by the time you will have the, you can copy the same background. So like this you can copy the same background. So different sequence and all we can add it for this. Okay, so different sequence in the image, this movie, so we can add it. Let me check what else I have. I don't know this is from that movie or not. So I'll just select it and you can place the file like this somewhere in the corner. Okay, so like this somebody who are done in this, so those people also you can place it like this. And I want to place the fire. So yeah, I have this fire image. So what I'll do, I'll just keep like this fire file. So even wherever you want, you have to press alt and left click. So everybody, okay, so if the things are which is not recorded, please write it down in the book. Alt and left click, you have to togetherly you have to press it. So by the time only it will copy it. Okay, so I'm using clone stamp tool. So alt and left click, you have to keep the file beside. So now I'm placing the fire. The fire is not enough, so I can bring it down also like this, the file. So otherwise I'll use this clone stamp tool only. So I'll use this fire file. So again I will take the copy of this thing because my fire file is very less. So I'll take the copy of this. So very less I have this. Okay. So this is the copy of the fire file. So alt left click. So because in this movie I heard that everybody something with the fire and all, so something movie theme will be there. So like this you can add the fire here. Okay, so again same thing only, I'm taking the copy of this again with the same thing, alt and left click. So I'm using the fire over here everywhere. So alt and left click, I'm using the fire here everywhere. Okay, Alt and left click. So you have to keep on doing like this, so you will get the same effect. Alt and left click. Okay, so this is my movie poster is done. So in this we have multiple characters and there, and the fort and all is there. So you can play something in the background here and all, releasing soon, all those things you can make it. So I'll just save this file. First you have to save this file. Why? Because if there is any power things and all, problem will happen, so anything. So I'll just name it as movie poster. Okay, so which is saving in the format of Photoshop format, movie poster.psd. Okay, so now I have to name it like uh, the movie name. I can make it with the different text. So F7 to make the layer. So my layer is somewhere here, which is hidden. So text layer is here. So I can make my own text. Otherwise, I'll just increase the size of the text. Is it a Padmavat or Padmavati? The movie name? Anybody?
It's Padmavat, ma'am, not Padmavati. It's Padmavat.
Okay. Padmavata. Padmavat. M-E-A-V-A-T. M-E-A-V-A-T. Okay. So now I will change the text pattern, and I'll just increase the size. I'll just give 200, which is so much. 150 I will give, and Control T. Okay, so I'll just change the color of the text. I'll just give this color golden color. See whatever the colors I have in this. See, the color combination is very important. We cannot take a different color. So which is available here, the skin color, any of the colors we can take it from here itself. Orange color or something. So yellow color something we can take it. Anybody having any problem with the network? Nobody, right? So what I will do, I will take the anywhere which should not disturb the character. So you can place here. Okay, otherwise you can place it here. So which is should not disturb the character. Okay, so like this you can place it. So with the different text, let us see like in the movie whatever the text they used. So we're not able to match with that text. Okay, something like that I'll give like this. Okay, so blending options, in that drop shadow, otherwise any of the style options which is matching to this. So something like this with the fire effect you can add it. Okay, uh, so here any of the options we want to change it, so those things and all we can change it. So style, we have multiple options are there. Even everybody should try with this movie poster also. Okay, so see here everything which is there in a single layer now, so we cannot make it as a separate. Now I want to move this person here, means I am unable to do it because the everything is which is collaged over here. Okay, so Padmavat like this. So here if I'll get see whatever the things what you are seeing in the movie, so which has everything is which is created, so all the text which is not available here, so these are the default text. Okay, these are the default text. So we have to create when we have to release a movie means we have to create our own text. Okay, uh, so what I'll do, I'll click on this text and so should be highlighted, those things only we have to place it. So let us see what text we have. So look at here, some of this kind of text they added. Uh, Music and directed by Sanjay Leela Bansali. So those things and all we can add it. So here with the text, smaller text, Sanjay. So with the color, different color text we can add it. So white color text they have used it. So even I will give a different font for this. Anybody facing the network issues? Okay. So like this, so which is not disturb to my this character also, so we cannot keep it on his face. Okay, so like this simple text we can use it. So again to highlight this blending options, so drop shadow, so by the times, so which is looking highlighted. Even you can give the stroke also, so by the time what happened, the things will get highlight. Okay, only this director, I'll reduce the size of this 24, and look at this, directed by Sanjay Leela Bhansali. So it's a size, so you can give the text size like this. Okay, so how much ever the area you want, only just make the text like this. Even for this, if I'll use the white color, no, I have given the effect. So in the styles I have to check the white color text. So in the effects I have to use the white color which won't match. So if I'll go to here, any photographic effect, something like this also I can use it. So here only this is the thing which is matching. Okay, so because which is having here orange color and all, so I can use this kind of color. Okay, yeah. So here you can add some more things over here. So releasing date, so this movie is already released now, so I'll just make it some date, we will add it, releasing November. Okay. See here, no need to add the box and all. So when you are making the poster design, other advertisement poster designs, we have to add the box and all. So here, no need to add the box. Okay. Okay. So I'm adding some simple text which everybody can so easily see this message. Okay. So anybody so what is exactly your assignment is the product design only your assignment. So if you'll do with this movie poster design also, I'm happy with the things, because this is very important, because movie poster designs and all, so mainly the work you have to do it. So I supposed to take this on yesterday's class. Okay, so by the time you have the time, anyway, no problem, you can submit me by this weekend. Okay, so for this not for this, so what I have shown the poster design, for that marks will count. Okay, I will start to give the marks for that. Okay, so whoever done the poster design, what we have, now where is the poster design, not this one, the jewelry design what I have done. So those things, for that only I will count the marks, whoever giving the designs. Okay. This file, open recent file. Okay, let us find it. Okay, so for the jewelry designs, so even with that I have given three different topics. Okay, jewelry, otherwise any product designs you can make it, or educational things you can make it. Okay, so any of the designs you can make it. And this is the movie poster design, so you can try this also. For everything marks will be there. Okay, anybody having any doubt? So which tool we are using to create a movie poster design? Anybody can tell me?
Clone stamp
Major
tool.
role is played by clone stamp tool.
Which tool we are using? Jennifer?
Ma'am, major role is played by clone stamp tool and
Huh?
text tool. Text tool with
Okay.
shadow
So what
effects.
is the shortcut we are? How we are using the this thing? Like how we are? What is the method to use the clone stamp tool?
Alt left click.
Okay. Togetherly, we have to use the Alt left click, because we have to keep images beside. So one by one we have to keep the images, we have to download whatever the images, we have to use it. So we have to make a movie poster. This is a movie already done, somebody who is creating the movie, so they will take according to the shot. So they will place the images. So these are the files which are there in the already in the movie itself. So I have taken those files only, and the background I have taken this fort image, some other fort image I have taken. And in the movie, let the climax will be some fire things and all which is there. So I have used the fire things over here. And anybody who are there in this different actors or somebody is there, you can place it over like this in the empty space and all. So like this you can create a movie poster, so which is not looking here very neat cut and all here. So because we are using alt and left click, you can place the same thing. Suppose if I'll use this clone stamp tool, so I can place the same image. So I have to use the suppose in the background. Now everything is there in which a single layer. So now here which is not separated with the different layer, so everything which is there with a single layer. So now same image I want to copy, it means alt and left click, with the same images only I can copy it. Look at here, I am placing one more image of this person. So same thing only which is copying here. So when you're copying here, can you see everybody, there is a plus mark over there, so which is copying, so which is taking from the background. So which is taking from the background, see same thing only which is copying. So one file two and there are files we can copy it. So same thing only which is copying here. So everything which is copying with the same thing. So like this, so how much ever necessary you can place it, only that much only. So you have to take the particular images. So I have downloaded some of the images, so which is related to this movie. So those things and all, you can add it. So here, look at your alt and left click. So you have to place one point over here. You have to keep like this image beside one by one like this, and you have to place alt and left click. So here in middle point, so neck somewhere I'm keeping like this, alt and left click I'm placing over here. So and uh, look at here, wherever I want I'm placing the images like this. See, I'm placing the images. So I want the fort also in the background, so this fire also in the background if I want it. So only how much ever possible, only place it that much only. So even text also which is going, so because so like this. So not necessary you have to remove everything. So we have to place this image also. I want this everybody should be there in the movie, so that's why I have placed it like this. Okay. So if you want, you can keep it like this. Otherwise, only one image is necessary. This much is necessary means you only keep it like this. This much only. Is that clear, everybody? No need to place so many things over here because I want to show the fort also. So here. So I'll just releasing on November 14th, or any other text also you can add it. Okay. So any other text. So here in this image we have some text over there. Okay. So any of the text also you can place it. Okay. Anybody having any doubt with the Photoshop software? So while you people are going for the exams, you have to check each and all the tools. Here in this image, whatever the options you have, in the layer whatever the options you have, and again in the select whatever the options you have. So everything you have to check. Okay. Even file, new, open, and save, import, all these options, they're asking the shortcut. What is the shortcut of the print, what is the shortcut of new and edit, all this image. So even the layers option which is available here, the layer, new layer, duplicate layer, delete layer. Okay, so whatever the options we are using here in the layer, so new layer, delete layer, and a duplicate layer, all these options are which is available in the layer options. Okay. So here you can check all these options. Again in the filter we have multiple options are there in the filter also. Is that clear, everybody? Anybody having any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So you people have to work with the assignment what I have told. Anybody sent me any assignment today? I didn't check actually.
Yes, ma'am, I had sent.
Okay. So you can create this kind of poster design also. NICT computer education, this educational poster design also you can place it using the curve shapes. Otherwise you can place this movie poster design also, you can send it to me. Anyway, this kind of poster designs we are doing in the InDesign, Corel Draw, everywhere it is there. Only colorful things you can see it in Photoshop. So this is the thing what we have done with the filter effects and all. So you can try those things and all. Okay. So Photoshop is the only very interesting things. So you can do multiple things with the Photoshop software. Okay. Yeah. What is this format? So anybody who is having doubt, please ask me now only. So you have to make the movie poster like this. Even for this wristwatch also you can make a poster design. So here also you have to make a duplicate copy of this. Control T. So you can place a image like this, and here you can use the pen tool, and you can add the some designs. Control Enter. So n number of the designs we can create it in the Photoshop. The same color I am taking like this. Control D. Okay, so if you are not able to do it in Photoshop, leave it. Again in the InDesign, again in the Corel Draw, you will have the same option. So you have to do the same things in the Corel Draw and InDesign also. So the pen tool itself you have to use it. Okay, so again here also you can make n number of designs. So again you can add the background, take a layer, and compared to Photoshop, the softwares are other softwares and all, which is very easy. Okay, so here I'm using the color. So paint bucket tool, I'm using the color. Control D, which is there in the background. So like this, two three colors you have to use it. Okay, so you have to make the designs and you have to make the two three color. Here we can add the information like this is the Timex watch exclusive collections, and we have 10% off, and some sale, Christmas sale or New Year's sale, or and limited collections, limited designs, men's watch. So you have so many extra things and all you can add it here, and you will add that www.timex.com, something like that. You can add the message also. Okay, so mainly in the Photoshop we are giving more importance rather than this. All this design will come back again in the InDesign also, we will do this kind of design. But this movie poster design and all, which is we are using only in the Photoshop. Please everybody try to create this design. Okay, so which is very interesting here. Save as in the format of JPG. I will save it in the format of the JPG format. So so you can take the poster design of movie poster design, or cosmetic poster design, or any of this wristwatch design you can make it. So any of the things you can create it, but I want educational or any of the things which is having the messages should be there in that. Okay, so which is having the offers and discount should be there. Okay, is that clear everybody? So I want to show you, like, I want to see the layers also. When you are taking the photo, please send me with the layers. Okay, so for everything marks will be there. Okay, anybody having any doubt? So please, while going for the exam, please check all these tools, because in one tool only there are many different tools are there. So freeform pen tool, add anchor point tools, this PP option is the shortcut will be there, and dodge tool, and many of the tools which is having shortcut, which is not having the shortcut, zoom in, zoom out, all these options. So some of the messages also you can add it, the designs for this, you can add many things. Okay, uh, anybody who is having doubt with this clone stamp tool? Okay, and one more option is there here, uh, that is the pattern stamp tool. Here we have the called option called the pattern stamp tool. If I click on this pattern, so we can select with a different background. So look at here, we have to take it with a different layer, and which is there in the blending options. Photoshop is very huge software, so if you learn how much ever itself, it is never end. So you will have multiple things with this Photoshop software. So you can use it for this, for the background also, like this brush things you can use it. So this is the pattern stamp tool. So you will have a multiple things, you can make the backgrounds using this tool. So just a pattern tool, this is a pattern, so you will have multiple options with this pattern. Okay, so in this we have pattern stamp tool. Here if you click on here in the property window, there is an option over there, colors, color paper will be there. So you can select this color paper and like brush, you have to brush it. So for the different backgrounds you can use it, any of the backgrounds you can use this pattern stamp tool. So we have multiple options like this, we have multiple things. Okay, we have multiple things like this. Okay, this is the pattern stamp tool, so you can use it for the different backgrounds. Okay, so like this. So I'll show some of the few rock pattern. We have this rock pattern, so I'll just okay, so I'll just increase the size of the text. And look, is this is the stone pattern. So wherever the grass is there, you can place the stones over there. So this is the, which is there with the, so different images you can place different backgrounds. Okay, and so we have if you have this rock patterns and the nature patterns, so we have this nature pattern, so we can place the flowers over here. So we can place the flowers and all. So like how much ever necessary here and there also you can place it. So so depends upon the images, what kind of images you have taking. So it is like that. Okay, you can place the stones also for this, like we have different flowers background and all, it is there. Okay, so this is just a default things which is already there in the system, so you have to make it for the things actually. Okay, how much ever necessary you can add those much things. Okay, so end of the day I need from you people complete poster design. Okay, anybody having any doubt? So some of these poster designs are here. Okay, see this is the cosmetic poster design. Okay, with having different layers are there. So I have used the smudge tool and cosmetic products I have downloaded here. So up to 30% off. So everything you have to give the drop shadow. So www.lakmeindia.com, something like that. uh, okay, so like this you have to make the design. Is that clear everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so like that. Okay, so create a design which is I told you in the last.